Today we're talking about the Flixy TV Stick and whether you should actually buy it in 2026, because honestly, this device suddenly appeared everywhere online, especially on TikTok, YouTube ads, and cut-the-cable videos. And a lot of people are asking the same question. Is this thing actually worth it, or is it just another overhyped streaming gadget? So in this video, I'm going to break down what the Flixy TV Stick really is, what it actually does, the pros, the cons, and what you should know before buying it. First, what is the Flixy TV Stick? The Flixy TV Stick is basically a streaming device that plugs into your TV's HDMI port, similar to other popular streaming sticks. The idea is simple: turn almost any TV into a smart TV. Then you connect it to Wi-Fi. Download apps, stream videos, mirror your phone, and watch online content. Now honestly, one reason the Flixy TV Stick became so viral is because of the marketing. A lot of ads make it sound like you instantly unlock unlimited free entertainment forever without subscriptions. And honestly, this is where people need to be careful, because the device itself is real, but some advertisements exaggerate what it can actually do. Now let's talk about setup, because this is one area where many users actually give positive feedback. Most people say setup is very easy. You basically plug it into HDMI, connect to power, connect to Wi-Fi, and start using it within minutes. And honestly, for non-technical users, that simplicity is a big advantage. Now, another thing people mention, it works surprisingly well on older TVs. So if somebody has an older television without smart features, a streaming stick like this can definitely make the TV feel more modern. Now let's talk about streaming performance, because honestly, this is what matters most. Some users say the Flixy TV Stick runs smoothly for YouTube screen, mirroring free streaming apps and general browsing, especially on stable Wi-Fi connections. But at the same time, many reviewers also mention that it does not feel as polished as bigger streaming brands. The interface looks simpler, the app ecosystem is smaller, and long-term software support is less clear. Now, here's the biggest thing people should understand: the Flixy TV Stick does not magically give you every premium streaming service for free. And honestly, this is where some buyers get disappointed, because some marketing online heavily implies unlimited access to paid content. But realistically, you still need subscriptions for services like Netflix, Disney+, and other premium streaming platforms. The device mostly organizes free apps and streaming sources into one place. Now, another thing worth mentioning there are also concerns online about aggressive advertising and checkout tactics. Some users complain about upsells, shipping delays, refund problems, or confusing pricing during checkout. And honestly, that doesn't automatically mean the product is fake, but it does mean buyers should pay attention before purchasing. Now, let's be honest for a second. If you already own a high-quality streaming device from major brands, the Flixy TV Stick probably will not feel revolutionary. But for somebody using an older TV or wanting a cheap streaming solution, it may still be useful. So, to wrap this up, the Flixy TV Stick does appear to be a real streaming device, not a fake product. And for some users, especially people with older TVs, it may work perfectly fine for basic streaming and screen mirroring. But honestly, a lot of the online marketing makes it sound more powerful than it really is. So if you decide to buy it, go in with realistic expectations. Understand that premium content still usually requires subscriptions, and compare it carefully against bigger streaming devices before spending your money.